Pamimigay daw ng nakumpiskang mga bigas ay illegal, sinabi ni Senator Cheese Escudero. My goodness. Pinamigay yung nasmuggle na bigas. Ito yung sa yung sa Zamboanga, 42,000 sacks of rice. Totaling 42 million pesos ang halaga nung na-smuggle na bigas diyan sa Zamboanga. O anong ginawa ng ating administrasyon? O di ipinamigay ng Marcos administration. Good job, Mr. President. At dahil dyan, medyo nagkaroon po ng konting pagbagal sa pagtaas ng presyo ng bigas. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. flew here on Tuesday and led the distribution of confiscated smuggled rice to poor families. Ayan, the rice, according to the local government, was part of the P42, 42 million peso worth of contraband seized by the Bureau of Customs at a local warehouse. The announcement of the seizure of some 42